Hello, there are three main ingredients in our weather story for the next couple of days. Some warmth, some humidity and some thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms drifting up from the southwest.
Is summer going to arrive sometime soon?
Yes, it is, Naga. Today and tomorrow, though, what we're looking at, very humid conditions and also some thunderstorms. Now, the thunderstorms starting to come in across the southwest as we speak. They're going to be pushing northwards through the day. And tomorrow, it's later in the day, we'll see some thunderstorms pushing northwards.
A very good morning to you. It's a bright start to the day. It's going to be warm and humid.
Carol, I see the chart behind you. It's worrying for anyone who's got hay fever.
That's right. The levels today, Charlie, are high or very high across parts of Scotland and also England. And we're talking grass pollen with some weed pollen in there as well. Thank you, Charlie. Good morning, everyone. If you're just stepping out, it's a mild or very mild start to the day, more or less across the board. Currently in Southampton, it's 18 degrees. Belfast, Cardiff and Glasgow, 16 degrees. Now, we've had some heavy rain already. This picture shows it quite nicely in the Channel Islands, where there's also been some rumbles of thunder.
Who's standing in front of bright blue sunshine today. Morning, Carol.
Morning.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Charlie's right. For some of us, we're off to a sunny start to the day. This is from one of our weather watchers in Kent. We do have some blue skies. Good morning, everyone. This morning, I've got some beautiful weather watcher pictures to show you. Look at this one. It's so serene, isn't it, in the Western Isles, and another beauty from the Isles of Scilly. This is also taken a bit earlier.
Hello, a very good afternoon to you. We have plenty of blue sky and sunshine this morning, more in the way of cloud into the afternoon, but it is very warm and we are seeing increasing humidity. That could trigger 1 or 2 showers into the afternoon.
Thanks very much, Ben. A real mixture of weather for us today. There is some sunshine around, giving us some warmth as well, but there is a bit more cloud than we had yesterday. Where we do have the sunshine, for example, in eastern England, temperatures could reach 26, 27 degrees. And around the Murray Firth, it'll be warm, 23 or 24 degrees here. But for some areas, it's been cooler, it's been cloudier and wetter as well. Although the weather in Dorset is now starting to improve. Now, heading into tomorrow, if you are a hay fever sufferer, we've got some very high grass pollen levels across the Midlands and some eastern parts of England, where we're going to have a lot of sunshine.
Hello there, a very good evening to you. It's been feeling increasingly warm and muggy outside and will do tonight and tomorrow as well. And then tomorrow evening, looking like the risk of thunderstorms. We've got a yellow warning in place for those because we could see some torrential downpours, a lot of rain in a short space of time, which could cause problems. And then into the weekend, sunny spells, maybe a shower here or there, a little less humid by Sunday. Those warm temperatures are doing very little for pollen levels at the moment. They remain high over the next few days. Might be helped slightly if we do get some downpours. We've got grass pollen and high weed pollen as well. Take care. Cheerio. Those warm temperatures are doing very little for pollen levels at the moment. They remain high over the next few days. Might be helped slightly if we do get some downpours. We've got grass pollen and high weed pollen as well. Take care. Cheerio.
Thank you, Sophie. Good evening to you. Well, we're firmly in a warm and thundery air mass at the moment, and it looks like it's going to persist through Friday and into the start of the weekend. So expect some further very warm weather around Friday, the peak, tomorrow, the peak of the warmth, with further thunderstorms in places.
Have decent temperatures, but looking as if it's going to change.
Yeah, there will be some storms around. Assad, good evening to you. We missed most of the action, though, today. It pushed towards more western areas. Tomorrow, though, will be very warm and humid.
And Becky, there's more heat on the way and more thunderstorm warnings. It's a bit of a mixed bag.
Bit of a mixed bag. It's definitely keeping us busy at the moment. And of course, as we saw earlier on, we've got the drought warning in Yorkshire as well. So yes, plenty to keep us busy, as I was saying. Now, the weather really is certainly very active and lively over the next few days. Let's have a look at what's going on. We have got some frontal systems moving in from the south. Now, this is going to bring us some rain, but crucially, what we also have mixed in there as well is a plume of warm, moist air feeding in from the the south. And this added heat and moisture is really creating an atmosphere where you get really heavy, thundery showers forming very readily. It does get very warm and sticky as well, potentially highs of 30 degrees in the southeast through tomorrow. Warm overnight as well, and a sort of very heavy feel to things. Now, as we run the sequence, you can see that over the weekend, the winds will actually start to shift. And as that happens, we start to draw in something a little bit fresher from the west. But until then, we're definitely looking at likely thunderstorms for many areas. And where they hit, they could be incredibly heavy rains, squally winds, hail mixed in there as well. And unsurprisingly, the Met Office have weather warnings in force. Now, still a warning for heavy rain across Northern Ireland until 9 o'clock through this evening. And then our focus switches to the south, where the heaviest and the most impactful thunderstorms are likely to be throughout the day. Tomorrow evening and all the way into Saturday as well. So potentially there will be some rain on the cards for those drought-hit areas. But of course, the nature of showers and thunderstorms is they tend to be very localised. But I will keep my fingers crossed for you. Let's have a look now at the forecast. So, as I say, it's a pretty lively picture, particularly over the next sort of 24 to 48 hours, with that very increasingly warm and humid air. It's particularly warm and sticky at night as well, which is not particularly pleasant. The risk of thunderstorms, but as I say, turning fresher from Sunday.